Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lab session, we are going to look at Tableau dashboard and story. Before we move on to dashboard and story, let's create a few worksheets first. We are going to create 4 different worksheets to visualize each sales representative's performance of company XYZ. The dataset we are going to use today is Tableau Lab 3 dataset, company XYZ. So in this dataset, we have 2 sheets. The first sheet is about company XYZ's sales. It includes the following information. It has the sales ID, the date, the sales representative's name, the customer, the product, the cost of good, and also the selling price, the country, and also the state. The second sheet, we have the customer rating information for each sales. So for each sales, we have the product rating, the service rating, and also the sales representative rating. So let's see how we can create several visualizations based on this data set. The first thing we will do is that we will connect to the data set. So let's click Microsoft Excel, and then let's load Tableau Lab 3 dataset. So we are going to merge the 2 data sheets we have in here. So let's first drag the sales to our table field, double click on it, and then let's merge the customer rating with the sales based on their sales ID. So now we can start to create our visualizations. The first visualization we are going to create is a geographic map that shows the sales representative's total sales by state and by year. So in here, we are going to use the sales as our color, and we are going to use the date as the filter. We are also going to use the sales representative as a filter to allow us to navigate through different sales representatives' performance. So let's start by changing the sheet name. So this will be sales by state. So we will drag the state to the field, which will pop up the geographic map for us. And then we are going to drag the sales to the color so that we can color this map. The next thing we can do is that we can start to add the filters. So we will click Show Filter for the date, so we can navigate through like different years. We can also use the sales representative as our filter, and in here we can choose multiple sales. We can choose 1 or 2 sales, or we can also change the way we visualize this sales representative filter. So we can click on the little triangle next to the sales representative and change the style of the filter. So instead of multiple values, we could actually try with single value drop-down list. So this will allow us to view one of the sales representatives' performance at one time.